would ever think that you need geometry to help you find your lost car in a parking lot, or give someone better directions, or decide whether or not a mountain might be too high for you to climb? Well, all of these ordinary tasks require something called spatial visualization, a geometric term that means the ability to mentally manipulate two-dimensional and three-dimensional figures. For the next several minutes, we're going to see how to identify these kinds of objects seen from top, side, front, and perspective views. Spatial visualization opportunities are everywhere. Our eyes are used to seeing, and our brains easily comprehend two- and three-dimensional shapes. For instance, can you tell what this building is really like if you look at this image? Is it big or small, long or short? To really know, you need more information to determine what the building looks like. You need to see the side of the building to see how long it is, and you need to see it from the top to know if there's anything hidden from your view, like a courtyard in the middle. We also use our spatial sense to know where we are on Earth, how high a hill is that we might have to climb, or how swiftly a river might flow that we have our eye on for a day of paddling. The contour or topographic map illustrates the lay of the land through a series of drawings that measure elevation. So let's look closely at one of these maps. This one shows the section of the Cuyahoga River Valley that's home to Cuyahoga Valley National Park. The concept is simple. The contour lines on the map represent lines of equal elevation above or below a reference point. To visualize that, picture a cliff in the park and imagine slicing through it with a flat horizontal piece of glass. Now look at the spot where the cliff meets the glass. That's a line of constant elevation, shown on the map as a contour line for the elevation above the slice. So whether you are looking at an interesting building and imagining what it looks like from the top or from the rear, or reading a topographical map, you'll be using your powers of spatial reasoning. Everywhere we look, in nature, in architecture, we encounter squares, rectangles, parallel lines, and many other two- and three-dimensional shapes. You'll soon have the ability to look at a structure and understand what you see, and you'll be able to communicate what you see by drawing a picture, a set of plans. You'll be able to deal with perpendicular planes in space. Then you'll be ready to build something of your own.